Discord on PC can feel confusing for beginners, but don't worry, I will guide you through setting up your new Discord account and exploring the main features. So first we need to download the Discord app. You can easily download it from the Microsoft Store. Just search for Discord and install it from there. The another way is to open any browser and search for download Discord and click the first official result. And depending on your device, you will see an option to download for Windows, Mac, or whichever system you are using. So just download and install it properly. So once you install, open Discord and you will see the welcome screen. If you already have an account, just log in with your email and password, and if you are new, click on register, and here you have to create a new account. So first you have to enter your email address, make sure it hasn't been used for another Discord account, then choose a display name. Then create a username and password, then enter your date of birth and complete the registration. So I already have an account, so I will log in. So after logging in, you will see the main interface. If you're new, your page may look mostly blank. So first let me walk you through the most important Discord settings. These are the key options you should check first to properly set up and control your account. So from this page, you have to go to your profile in the bottom left corner and open user settings. In my account section, you can edit your display name, email, phone number, and change your password. And under content and social, you can manage privacy and related settings. And now on devices, you will see where your account is actually logged in. You can also connect your Discord account to other platforms like TikTok, Facebook, or all other social media from here. And the other important section is voice and video. Here you can test your microphone, adjust input and output devices, and check your camera. And you can easily set up your video background before joining a call. Now let's go to the main page. And now on this page, you will see the direct messages section. Now at the top, there's the add friend option where you can enter someone's username to send a friend request. And now in the all tab, you will find all of your added friends. When you open a chat, you can send messages, share photos or files using the plus button. You can also create pools and all other settings. And now on the bottom right corner, you will get more options like gifts, sticker, and also you can use activities like watching YouTube together or playing games. Now from the top right corner of a chat, you can start an audio or video call, add more people, pin messages, or view mutual servers. You can also get the option block, ignore, or report a user from their profile. Now let's talk about servers. On the far left side, click the plus button. From here, you can either create your own server or join an existing one. If you choose to join a server, you can explore public communities by category like gaming, music, education, or entertainment. You can easily search any server directly from this page, and also you can join directly from here. So now from the top, you have to join the server, and here we'll see multiple channels on the left, and some are text channel for chatting and others are voice channels for live conversation. So if you have permission, you can send messages, join voice chats, watch live streams, and invite others using the invite option. Now to create your own server, click the plus button again and select create my own. Now choose the type of server, give it a name, and create it. And after creating a server, you can easily invite friends, create text or voice channels, manage roles, adjust permission, and customize server settings. And in voice channels, members can join to talk, share screen, stream games, or watch content together. And this is how you can use Discord on PC, from setting up your account to joining server, chatting, calling, and creating your own community. And that's the simplest way I have explained how to use Discord, what you can do, how everything works, and how to create your own community server. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more Discord tips and